wondered how professional one-page websites are built with smooth section, clean layout, and modern styling? In this video, I will show you exactly how to create this beautiful page section by section, step by step, without any coding. Stay with me, this will level up your web design skill instantly. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to break down this entire single page website and build every section inside Elementor just like a real professional. Whether you are new to web design or already building client projects, this tutorial will help you structure clean, responsive section like a pro. So first, let's start with the hero area. We can go to the dashboard of the WordPress and we use Elementor Pro. I will show you the plugin of Elementor Pro, Elementor, and also Elementor Pro. Yes, and then we can go to the pages and click to the add page button. Its name is, I think so, clinic page something. Clinic page, publish, and then publish. Add it with Elementor. This is the pages I will show you. First, the header. Second, the hero section, about us section, and then services section, and then make an appointment section, or portfolio, I think so. This is also portfolio, or this is our section, but I will not show this exactly. And then a map, and the footer is related to the header because this site have no footer, so the footer is related to the and the same of the header, so it is very easily for me and developers. This is the page. Firstly, we can hide the title which are named as a page. You can go to the page setting and hide the title. We can also check the extra setting. This is okay, and we can okay, yes. And then firstly we can make our hero section. Firstly, add a heading and text editor and a button or the images. All the images which I use in this site, in the link in the description. I will create this site from the Figma for the practice. All the images which I use in this site are in the description. We can go to the Elementor and add a flex box. It is two containers, one and two images, and I think, and heading वगैरह heading. We can add a two container section flexbox, and also is its padding is 0. And then you can go to the our site and its background color is this. You can copy to the clipboard. You can also see the code. You can go to the style and its color is this. And then you can add a heading here. So firstly we can copy the heading. You can also write with the keyboard. And then we can see the High quality and painless are in the black color, and dentistry are in the blue something color. It is very easy in Elementor. I will show you a trick. Firstly, we can copy the high quality and painless. Copy the and also delete or paste, and then we can check this out. It is very easy in Elementor Pro or also in Elementor. Span, and then we can type style, and then this, or also color. I think so. This or the color of this dentistry is this. Copy to the clipboard, and then we can paste this color, or and then we can this, uh, and then we can write dentistry. Dentistry. I think so. We can have a problem. Yes, we can also have a problem. We can rewrite this, and the slash is before the span, or also we cannot add a hashtag before the code of color, and you can check out. And then the color of highly pain quality and painless is black, and we can add some typography. Its font style is manrock, or this is extra bold, and its size is 60, I think so. Yes, 60 is looking good. And then we can go to the our page. Yes, also I add some padding. We can copy the this text, and we can also add a new widget bottom of the heading. This is a problem. We can go to the code, and we can also add this. Its color is black, and also the font is manrock, and this is medium, and its size is also adjust. And so 20 is looking good. Yes, remove this or not, and then we can add a button. We search for button, and we can add this of the button. Make appointment, I think so. Yes, make appointment. I think so, spelling is wrong. And then we can check the color is also dense. This tree, we can go to this, and we can copy the code of color, and then we can go to the our button, and it's firstly we can border type here solid, and the solid is this, and then we can go to this, and its background color is remove, and its text color is this, and we can go to the border radius. I think so 8 something. Yes, and then You can add some padding here, which is about 14 40 14 20 14 and then 20. Okay, and then we can add a hover effect, which is animation like bob, and this will, and then we can add a color, which is background color is blue and text color is white, which text color white and the background color is this. Yes, this is looking like a pro. And then we can add some padding here to the top and bottom. We can not add padding of the top and bottom of the text. We can also add a padding to the container. So 60 to the top and 60 to the bottom, and we can add some gap between the this. We can I think so 30. Yes, you can click the publish button, and then you can check this exactly to the our single page site, and then we can add images, which is very easily in Elementor. We can add a image, and then first image is this. We can find it, I think so this. All the images link in the description, and then we can go to the advance of the image, and position is absolute, and then we can move with the hand cursor of the mouse. We can place in this, I think so. Yes, and then we can add this big pic. We can duplicate this, click this and duplicate, and then we can find the image, which is like this. Yes, we found it. Or yes, I think so. Thora upper, up and down. I think so. This is looking good. Also some gap. Yes, and then we can add this image, or duplicate this, and then we can go to this and this images. Image is this. I think so. This place in this. I think so. This is looking good, and then you can left two images, which is in the our download. Think so. This image is this. Yes, and this is the image. Oh, I think so. This is looking good. Duplicate this, and then we can choose image circle, and we can place it here. Yes, our hero section is looking good, and it is already complete. We can add some padding here if you want to the bottom. So 20 or 40 or 50, 60. This is not work. Why? So 100. I think so. You go very long. 120. No, 120. I think so. This is looking good. Okay, you can also images to the up and down, and then we can click the publish button. So our hero section is ready. This is looking, and we can add I think so some padding here to this advanced, and bottom to 30. Yes, okay, and then we can click the publish button. So our hero section is ready. See you in the next video, which is about our about us section. This section. Like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.